hidden under some Toy Story Play-Doh toys.
Hey, this potato head looks nothing like me.
Come on, he looks just like you. I also made an alien. Ooh. And him. Plus evil Emperor Zurg.
Excuse me, ma'am. Why did you make a Zurg? Space Command will be upset.
Buzz, don't you remember Zurg's your father?
Oh, my mistake.
I also have Rex here to help me open up the Play-Doh surprise eggs.
Oh boy, I can't wait for the Kinder Surprise eggs. Can we open up Mr. Potato Head first?
Yeah, sure thing, Rex. Alright, let's grab Mr. Potato Head Kinder Egg and oops! His feet fell off already. It's okay, because we're going to rip apart his body anyway. His eyes. Sorry, Mr. Potato Head. We'll just take every little piece off. Now let's open up the egg and see what we've got inside. Holy cow, this is a lot of pieces. Look at all these. Looks like we've got a little teeter-totter weight. Ready, Rex, to build this thing? Alright. Let's see what this thing does. You just push it and round it goes. It's honestly pretty entertaining. Oh, until you break it.
Oh, come on, Disney Car Toys. I never even got a turn.
Oh. Sorry, Rex. Why don't you pick the next Play-Doh egg?
Ooh, I picked Zurg.
Ooh, good choice, Rex. See, now you can finally defeat Zurg. There you go. Take off his face.
Boy, Disney Car Toys, this is awesome.
Yep, I knew you'd like it.
Oh, with my little hands, I can't take off the rest. Can you help me?
Pink. Edward. Pink. Green. Pinkie Pie. Green. Red. Mr. Krabs. Red.